Hello my healthy people. In today's video I'm gonna be making one of my favorite salads using some of the most wonderful ingredients. So I have some cherry tomatoes, I also have some red onions, some cucumbers, and then I also have an avocado. Simple, easy recipe. You're gonna love it. Let's get started in making this delicious salad. All right. This is so simple and easy, guys. First thing I'm gonna do is add my cherry tomatoes. I have about 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1/2 of an English cucumber. Just add it in there. Quick, fast, and delicious. And we also want to add our onion, red onions. Don't forget that because that just gives it a nice color. But if you don't like onions, then you know you could omit it. And here it is. This is your base for your salad. And once again, it's very simple and very easy. I'm gonna go ahead now and make the dressing and watch how simple that is. To make our dressing, you're gonna add some oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. And if you want to keep this plant-based, you can omit the oil. So I'm adding some oil, just like that. Oh, I forgot my avocado. All right. You don't want to forget your avocado. I almost forgot. So I also have 1 avocado. Not a big deal. So I'm going to cut my avocado and I'll be putting that in. And let's just hope for the best when I cut this avocado. Because you guys know sometimes you cut avocados, you never know what you're going to get, right? Let's see. Ah, not bad, right? Pretty good. All right. So how I cut my avocado is I just take my knife and I go inside like that. And then I also go like this. Simple, easy way to cut avocado. Take a spoon and then I just spoon it out. Like that. If you love any of these ingredients, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Wonderful recipes and tips as well for healthy lifestyle. All right, so wonderful recipes and tips for a healthy lifestyle. That's what Maxine's Corner is all about. I added my grapeseed oil. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do so. Hit that little red button that says subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell because that's how you're gonna get your what? Notifications. All right, so now I'm adding half the juice of a lemon. And this will help the avocado from turning brown. To that, I'll be adding 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Guys, everything that you're going to need for this recipe will be in the description box. I will be leaving the amounts that I use there, so don't forget to check it out. And that's it. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to toss everything together like that. Look at that. And there you have a nice, tasty avocado, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onion salad that the entire family will love. If you're going to a barbecue, if you're going to hang out, this is a perfect salad to bring. Everyone will love it. Agree? Yes. All right, guys, so this is our delicious salad. Let me go ahead and give it a taste. And this salad is using some of my favorite ingredients. Perfect. Oh my god. This is one of my favorite salads to make because it has my favorite ingredients. Can I say favorite one more time? But this salad tastes absolutely delicious and it is perfect to take with you to work. You can meal prep it. And that's it, guys. Real simple and real easy. That's what Maxine's Corner is about. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and do what? Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Why? Because it's absolutely free. Healthy tips and great recipes. And what? Stay healthy.